Now we discuss about trihalogen derivatives means chloroform, CHCl3, chloroform. IUPAC name is 1,1,1 trichloromethane. How chloroform is prepared in laboratory? Explain lab preparation of chloroform. For the preparation of chloroform, we take bleaching powder, near about 100 gram of bleaching powder, made a paste by addition of 200 milligram of water. This paste is taken in a conical flask and we add 25 ml of ethanol. Then formation of chloroform takes place, which pass through the condenser and condense in a receiver as collected in a receiver as a heavy liquid. The reaction takes place are as follows. In very first step, we take bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, calcium hypochlorite, and the formula is CaOCl2. When this CaOCl2 reacts with water, then liberation of chlorine gas takes place and we obtain CaOH whole twice, calcium hydroxide. In second step, we take ethyl alcohol, CH3, CH2OH. These ethyl alcohol reacts with chlorine. Then here chlorine act as a number 1 oxidizing agent, number 2 chlorinating agent. Both the roles is played by chlorine. In this reaction, it acts as a oxidizing agent and oxidize ethyl alcohol into aldehyde HCl, HCl. We obtain CH3CHO. We obtain acetaldehyde. Ethanol or ethyl alcohol on oxidation gives acetaldehyde. Number 3, these acetaldehyde reacts with chlorine. This is known as functional group. This is called alpha carbon. Hydrogen atom present on alpha carbon is called alpha hydrogen. These all 3 alpha hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine atom. We require 3 times Cl2. 3H is replaced by 3Cl and we obtain Cl3CHO. Trichloroacetaldehyde or chloral. Trichloroacetaldehyde or chloral. In fourth step, two molecules of chloral CCl3CHO plus CCl3CHO reacts with calcium hydroxide. Here we write calcium hydroxide. This H goes here and forms chloroform. This H goes here and forms chloroform. And we obtain two molecules of chloroform plus calcium formate. Formation of calcium formate also takes place. This is known as lab preparation of chloroform. If we take acetone in place of ethanol, then the reaction takes place according to this. Very first, in first step, calcium oxychloride or bleaching powder made a paste with water, then we obtain calcium hydroxide plus Cl2 is liberated. Here we take 25 ml of acetone instead of ethanol, then there is no need of oxidation of acetone. Here chlorination takes place. It is known as hydration. It is known as oxidation. It is known as chlorination. CH3 COCH3 plus Cl2 chlorination. All the three alpha hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine atom, and we obtain trichloroacetone CCl3 COCH3 plus 3 times HCl. Trichloroacetone. In third step, two molecules of trichloroacetone reacts with calcium hydroxide. And forms CH3 COO whole twice Ca plus 2 molecules of chloroform. This is about lab preparation of chloroform from ethanol or ethyl alcohol or from acetone. Now we discuss chemical properties of chloroform. Cp. Very first, oxidation. Very first property, oxidation. Chloroform on oxidation gives a poisonous gas, carbonyl chloride or phosgene. Phosgene or carbonyl chloride, the formula is COCl2. In the presence of atmospheric oxygen, it oxidizes and forms phosgene. Example, CHCl3 plus O2, atmospheric oxygen, is equal to, here we write 2 molecules of chloroform. HCl बाहर, यहाँ से HCl बाहर, ये O यहाँ आ गया, ये जो O यहाँ आ गया, 2 times COCl2 phosgene plus 2 HCl. So, chloroform on oxidation gives a harmful gas phosgene. It is very dangerous for human health. That's why, to avoid the process of oxidation, we take some precautions. Number 1, chloroform is filled up to the neck. Number 2, chloroform is kept in dark brown bottle. And number 3, 1% ethyl alcohol is added to it. What happens when we add 1% ethyl alcohol to it? It stops the formation of phosgene. If harmful phosgene gas is formed, it converts it into harmless diethyl carbonate. For example, this phosgene COCl2 reacts with 1% ethyl alcohol. Then formation of diethyl carbonate takes place. So, very first oxidation, chloroform on oxidation gives harmful phosgene gas. This phenomena can be stopped by taking some precautions. Number 1, it is filled up to the neck. Number 2, by using dark brown bottle. And third, by addition of 1% ethyl alcohol to it. Now, we discuss reduction. Addition of hydrogen is known as reduction. There are 2 types of reduction. First is known as partial reduction and second is known as complete reduction. Here we discuss partial reduction. पार्शियल रिडक्शन क्या कहता है? When chloroform is subjected for reduction, partial reduction, in presence of zinc and HCl, then H from here and Cl from here comes out and we obtain CH2Cl2. Methylene chloride. Chloroform on partial reduction gives methylene chloride. While chloroform on complete reduction, this reaction takes place in catalyzed by zinc and water vapors. 3H and 3Cl, 3HCl comes out and 3H is added here, so it forms methane. There are two types of reduction. First, partial reduction. Chloroform on partial reduction gives methylene chloride, while chloroform on complete reduction gives methane. Now we discuss chlorination. Number 3, chlorination. Chloroform reacts with chlorine and forms carbon tetrachloride. Which is also known as pyrene and used as a fire extinguisher under a trade name pyrene, CCl4. Next, fourth one, reaction with acetone. Chloroform reacts with acetone and forms a hypnotic medicine chloritone. Have you write acetone plus CHCl3 chloroform. Here we obtain chloritone. Double bond becomes single bond. It becomes single bond O. H is goes there, it becomes OH, and here you come Cl3 chloritone. It is known as hypnotic medicine, सम्मोक औषधि है. Next, reaction with nitric acid. जो HNO3 हमारे पास में है, डिकम्पोज होता है और देता है OH नेगेटिव and NO2 positive. HNO3 disassociate and gives OH negative and NO2 positive. Chloroform reacts with HNO3 and H from here and OH from here. Removal of water molecules takes place and we obtain chloropicrin or nitrochloroform. Next, number 6, dehalogenation. D means removal. Halogenation means removal of halogen. This is done by action of silver powder. When chloroform CHCl3 reacts with silver powder to remove 3Cl, we require 3 silver Here we take 2 molecules of chloroform, therefore, we require 6 Ag. Formation of 6 AgCl takes place and we obtain CH triple bond CH. This is known as dehalogenation. Now we discuss reaction, Reimer-Tiemann reaction.